What is up, guys? Back with another video. I'm at the gas station. I've got the 993. We're popping the gas cap. We're gonna fill this bad boy with some fuel. What is new? Are you guys getting ready? Stock market's gonna open up today. What is gonna happen? I don't know. We're going with 93 octane. We got our little flap, our little leather satchel, keeping the paint nice. It looks like the stocks are up today, pre-market. We'll see what happens, but hopefully they're not going to tank. Hopefully they'll pop up a little bit and we'll be all right. How you doing? Thank you. If you guys are new to the channel, we have a 993 Porsche 911 Carrera. It's a C2S. We have a 992 Porsche 911 Carrera S, and that's about it. We're gonna go cruising this thing for a little bit. And if you guys are wondering how I got these cars, I was a diesel mechanic, but throughout the years I worked on trying to figure out a way to increase my income. Ultimately was led to Shopify and Facebook ads, but I didn't even know what I was doing when I was doing that. I didn't think I was becoming an entrepreneur, but somehow I just fell into it, I guess, because I was in survival mode. But don't think I'm some fool that's just in debt with a bunch of cars, because I am. So no, I'm just joking. You guys ever heard the Abraham Lincoln quote? It's better to remain silent and be thought of as a fool than to speak and remove all doubt. Have you ever heard that before? I figured I'd come on here and speak and remove all doubt for you guys. Then you'll really know not to take my advice. Psych. No, I'm an advocate for no debt, not living beyond your means, and making sure you have more income coming in than you do going out. Because if you don't, your balance sheet's not going to balance out, and guess what's going to happen? You're going to go under. And it can happen quick. So if you guys are brand new to the channel and you've never met me before, no, I was a diesel mechanic. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids and 1 on the way. I love Porsche 911s, and I like investing and chasing financial freedom. Right now, I was into rentals years ago. Like, I was taking the money from my business and I was buying rental properties. I would save up the money and buy one at a time. I never used a loan, and that's not realistic now. This was back when they were like, in South Florida, they were like 100,000. It's still, sometimes that's not realistic, you know, to save 100,000. But I'm just saying that at the time I was able to with the business, and I was focused on passive income. And I had got my income to where I was able to quit my job, really, if I had to. But we had our business going, so I had this dream that I was going to have like 100 rentals, you know. I was like, I'm going to be the single family king. That quickly turned into a single family nightmare. No, it wasn't a nightmare. It wasn't that bad. I had LLCs for each house, and then I had an LLC that owns the LLCs, and I had a PO box and everything. I still have all that. I just need to, it's still active too. I keep it active. So, but I don't have any rental properties. I sold all the properties in August of 2022, and I decided to simplify my life because I feel like there's some value in peace of mind and simplicity. And with children, a business, and a family, I decided that's the route I wanted to take. So the best thing I found after all of my research was I landed on SCHD. It's an ETF from Charles Schwab. It has a fairly low expense ratio, and it has a decent yield that grows every single year, more than the rate of inflation. That's the key. So I've just been kind of dollar cost averaging SCHD, and then I have a small portion of my portfolio that's in VGT, so I have some tech exposure. And if you haven't caught any of my old videos, like 100 baggers or any of the quantum related stuff, then I'll explain it here. So, and then I have another small portion of my portfolio, about 5%, that I have invested in what I call Hail Marys, like my go long. I'm going to hit you in the end zone, dude. Go long. I'm bombing the ball. Whatever happens, happens. Kind of like people have crypto or whatever it is. For me, it's quantum. I have Rigetti. IonQ and D-Wave. And I had 1,000% return. It's the first one I've ever had. I've had it already with the 3 stocks. I took a huge amount off the top. And then they all went back down to earth. And now I'm still holding them. And I've added a little bit. But I'm holding those for at least 7 years, I think, in my mind. I'm just holding them until they become something or they go to zero, to be dead honest. Here's a mansion for sale. $6 million they want for it. It's on the water. But that's what I've got going on. So right now I currently have $40,000 a year in income coming in passively. And my goal is to get to $240,000 a year. So I started this YouTube channel to kind of just document the journey, show the Porsches I love, and see if we can make passive income from the channel too as an experiment. Right now we're only getting $165,000 a month from the YouTube channel. So if you guys like investing, Porsches, e-commerce, Facebook ads, Klaviyo, email marketing, Google AdWords, Pinterest ads, any of that stuff, Google Analytics, if any of that stuff interests you, subscribe to the channel. Even if I just said one thing you liked, let me get a subscription. Come on. Hang around. We could freaking try to get passive income together. Subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment. Let me know what you like to invest in. Seriously, guys, leave some comments. Just tell me. So, because the other day somebody wrote SCHG, and I'm like, let's go, SCHG. I never even thought of SCHG. I was all SCHD. Oh, someone left a comment. They asked what the wing setup was. They asked if it goes up and down with a certain mile per hour, because they were saying they set theirs up manual so they can leave it up because they like the look, or put it down when they want. And actually, I think mine's set up the same way, because I do the same thing. I just put it up, and when I put it up, it stays up. No matter how fast or slow I'm going, I'm pretty sure it stays up. I gotta look. I put it down, but whenever I put it up, it's up when I park it. So I'm assuming it's set up that way. I'm not sure. I didn't know you could change it. Any of you guys haven't started investing, what's the reason why you haven't started? I know most people, it's lack of resources, lack of funds. If it's not that, and you have a small amount of savings, or even you have 50 bucks that you can invest, what's been holding you back? Is it the lack of knowledge? Like you're not really sure what platform to use, or you're not sure what to buy? The more I've made videos, the more I've realized a lot of people just don't even know what to buy, or even how to buy a stock, or what a stock even is. I was surprised because I thought that I'm kind of naive, I guess, because I assumed, because I've been messing around with it for so long, I just assumed that everybody kind of knew what a stock was. Leave a comment if you're like, man, I've never invested because I don't know what a stock is, or I don't know where to buy it. Because everybody on here, I want to build like a community where we all help each other. You guys can help me too, because I'll be the first one to tell you, I do not know a lot about a lot. Everybody's kind of got their little unique thing they're into. So you might cross paths with an expert on something on here, and they can really shoot you to the moon. That's why I like audiobooks. Like, all it takes is one little tiny seed in a book and give you like exponential growth. Like, I've listened to audiobooks related to like online marketing or Facebook ads or my business, and it'd be like one little tiny thing. I'd take one little tiny thing, and it would drastically change the business. Just a little seed from one chapter. The whole book was worth it for that one little thing. So if you're brand new to investing though, and you don't know what a stock is just a share in a business. So you become part owner of a business. About to eat lunch. I've got steak that we cooked yesterday. If it looks weird, it's because that's just the fat that dried. I'm just going to eat all this steak. I might even just heat this whole entire thing up. And then I'm going to eat this. I'm eating lunch, and I'm making an additional principal payment towards my mortgage. So I'm trying to pay my mortgage off while I invest and try to build my passive income. I know a lot of people will argue just to invest because, you know, you can get a lot more in the market if you have a low mortgage rate like I do, which is 2.75. It makes sense. But if you do the math on cash flow and income and how much money you'd need invested in passive income to cover the payment, you actually end up needing a lot less. And look, there's my mortgage right there. I owe $1.3 million on my mortgage. So I'm throwing an extra 1,000 at it. See if we can get it paid down quicker. I'm editing an old video. If you guys want to head back to the channel, we got new old videos popping back up. Alright, stock account's up 10,000. It was up 20. It's already dropped another 10. This is for the daily. Overall, we're down $184,000. So currently, we're holding VGT, Enovix, Pinterest, D-Wave, Rigetti, IonQ, and SCHD. We currently have 37,000 shares of SCHD, and we are getting, I'm going to show you guys here, we are receiving $40,347 a year in income. 4 times a year, we get $10,086. Guys, we're also gonna donate $1,000 to St. Jude. Shout out to everybody who's stuck around the channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna donate $1,000. Alright guys, appreciate it. We hit it up. 1,000. I appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Alright. This is light work.